Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. How to fix AdWords not showing on Instagram. So let's get started the video. First, check if your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and find the Instagram app. If you see the update button, it means your app is not updated and you need to click on this button to update it. After updating, check if AdWords is now working correctly. If not, then log out of your profile and log in again. Click on Settings, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, click on Logout. Another solution is to uninstall the app and reinstall it. If after all these attempts you haven't resolved the problem, then it's logical that this Instagram feature is not available in your country or on your operating system version. So I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.